Here is some more embarrassment for the Uttar Pradesh government. Now, Allahabad High Court has ordered a CBI probe into the Bulandshahr gang rape case. This after the UP government agreed to hand over the case to CBI. So clearly, no faith there left in the Uttar Pradesh police as far as bringing justice to the victims and to the rape survivors here is concerned. We'll try and go across to Amir, who's got some more details, but there was a petition filed seeking a CBI probe into the case. Remember, several senior officials were suspended, removed, a new team brought in for investigation into this case, and those officers suspended for dereliction of duty. And after that, there was a petition filed seeking a CBI probe into the case. On the back of that, now Allahabad High Court has ordered one. Of course, the government's view would have been sought in that Akhilesh's government has told the High Court that they have no problems or issues if the case is handed over to the CBI. Amir is on the phone line with more details of what transpired in courts today. Amir.
Well, actually a big embarrassment for the UP police here because UP police was claiming that it had solved the entire case, and although it seemed very complicated and in fact almost like a blind case in the beginning because the gang rape incident actually happened on a highway 91 around Bulandshahr, and the perpetrators of the crime were very difficult to trace initially. That's what the UP police sources said earlier. But over the next few weeks, they finally traced the perpetrators, and finally all 6 accused pertaining to the case were arrested. And the DGP claimed that everybody has been brought to book and that justice will be done to the victims. But in this case, the High Court had been listening to this petition, and in fact had taken a suo motu notice of the gang rapes, and over the last 4 or 5 days had taken up the matter. This matter is being taken on a daily basis in the High Court.
Okay.
And in fact, Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, D.B. Bhosle himself was hearing the case. He pulled up the UP government and also admonished the police force for not being able to stop crime against women in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and finally ordered a CBI inquiry into the matter.
All right, so the police there pulled up, and of course a big embarrassment not just for the state police but also for the state machinery and the government for the kind of lawlessness where a High Court has to step in, intervene and order a CBI probe. That's what's happened in the Bulandshahr rape case. Thanks, Amir, for joining us.